In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members to your Trello boards. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is the page that lists all of your boards, making it easy to jump into the one you want to collaborate on. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace, and if you don't see the board you need, use the search bar at the top to find it. Open the board where you want to invite people. You'll need to have permission to add members, so if the share option isn't available, check with a board admin to upgrade your access. Once the board is open, look to the top right and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where all invitations and requests are managed. In the invite field, start typing a teammate's email address or their name. Trello will suggest people who are already in your workspace. Otherwise, you can enter a full email and send a new invite. It's best to use the email they use for Trello to avoid creating duplicate accounts. Before you send, review any role selector you see so you add them as a normal member or an admin only when necessary. Click Invite, and Trello will notify them immediately by email and inside the app. If it's easier to reach a group of people at once, use the board invite link in the same share panel. Toggle it on if needed, then copy the link and share it in a secure channel your team uses. Keep in mind that links are powerful. Anyone who gets the link can request access as allowed by your workspace settings. For sensitive boards, turn the link off after everyone has joined to prevent it from being passed around. When people use the link or when external emails are invited, you may see join requests. These appear in the share panel so you can review who's asking to join. Check the name and email, choose the right role if prompted, then approve to add them to the board. If the request isn't appropriate, simply decline. You can always revisit the share panel later to see pending requests in the current member list. That's it. You've opened your board, used the share button to invite by email or name, shared a link when needed, and handled join requests confidently. Pause the video and add your teammates now, then continue building your workflow together.